Voyager's route, the most affordable journey in space. Hello, space enthusiasts. Today, we will talk about the details that most of us may have overlooked about the Voyager missions. We will talk about which planet these legendary satellites are aiming for on their 40,000-year journey into the depths of space, how every kilometer, every millisecond is one of humanity's most complex and longest-range billiard shots. Let's take a look at the engineering and scientific genius behind Voyager's mysterious route. Gravity assist, the slingshot effect in space. So how do they go so far? Gravity-assisted maneuver. Imagine you launch your spacecraft like a slingshot using the enormous gravity and orbital motion of a planet. The planet pulls the vehicle towards itself, accelerates it, and then pushes it in a completely different direction. In this way, much less fuel is consumed, and the targets are reached at an incredible speed. This was the core technology that made Voyager possible.
Grand Tour opportunity, once in a century. The real secret of the Voyager mission is based on the concept of the Grand Tour. The outer planets of the solar system, namely Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, align in such a way that a spacecraft can hop from one planet to the next, visiting all four giants in a single mission. This incredibly rare alignment made Voyager's timing critical. Humanity could not miss this unique opportunity. Voyager 1's strategic target: focus on Titan. Now let's get to the satellite's paths. After visiting Jupiter and Saturn, Voyager 1 set its main target as Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Why? Because Titan's thick atmosphere was a unique laboratory that could provide scientists with clues about the early Earth's atmosphere. However, this close pass put Voyager 1 on the most direct route out of the plane of the solar system's planets' orbits into interstellar space. So a sacrifice was made for Titan. Voyager 1 could not continue to Uranus and Neptune, but this sacrifice made it our fastest and farthest ambassador in space. Voyager 2's extraordinary tour, visiting all four giants. What about Voyager 2? Its orbit was more flexible. When Voyager 1 headed to Titan, the path to Uranus and Neptune was opened for Voyager 2. After visiting Jupiter and Saturn, it reached Uranus with gravitational assists, and from there to Neptune. And here's a fact: Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune. This makes its mission's scientific success unique. After completing this tour of the four giant planets, Voyager 2, like its sibling, began to head in a different direction, out of the solar system. Interstellar space, target or inevitable consequence. So were these satellites aimed at a specific star? No. The original purpose was to study planets. However, calculations showed that once they gained enough speed and momentum, the satellites would pass through the heliosphere, which is affected by the sun's magnetic field and particles, and reach interstellar space. And so it did. Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space in 2012. Voyager 2 followed in 2018. They are now billions of kilometers away from the solar system, heading in different directions. They have no specific route to a star, but they continue their journey as humanity's most distant ambassadors in this vast void. The endless journey, where to in tens of billions of years. And now, they are still moving. Voyager 1 continues its journey out of the solar system toward the constellation of Fucus. In about 40,000 years, it will pass near a star called Gliese 445, 1.6 light-years from the Sun. Voyager 2 is heading toward the Sagittarius constellation, and in about 40,000 years, it will pass near a star called Ross 248, 1.7 light-years from the Sun. However, these close passes are not a conscious target.
They are coincidental encounters in the vastness of space. They are humanity's eternal ambassadors who will travel through our galaxy for billions of years, along with the golden records carrying its message. They will continue to send us information until their energy runs out, which will probably be until the mid-2030s. The Voyager satellites are much more than two pieces of metal thrown into space. They are a testament to humanity's sharp intelligence, precise calculations, and endless curiosity about space. Where are they aimed? The answer to the question actually shows how great humanity's determination to understand and explore the universe is. They are our voices moving through the darkness, whispering to us from billions of kilometers away, and their journey still continues.